Oh, hey! You're here to check out Stanza Living's tour house, right? Let's get started then. This is the reception. If you're a visitor, you wait here. But because it's a virtual tour, we'll go ahead. Here's the lift that can take you to your floor. Or you could also take the stairs. By the way, you get round-the-clock security, high-speed Wi-Fi and power backup throughout the property. Here's your room. You get a comfy bed to stream movies on the residence Wi-Fi. You also get your own closet and ample amounts of storage space. Here is the bathroom. Leave all the cleaning to Stanza's professional housekeeping team. Okay, moving on. Here's the dining area. Here you get no-touch food delivery with a wide variety of menu options and cuisines to choose from. And trust me, the food here is delicious. Need to unwind after a super stressful day? Head to our gaming area. If you're a fitness lover, you will love our workout zone and all its machines and equipment. Fun fact, DXC Technology, Infosys, PES University Electronic City campus, a supermarket and much more are all a short distance from here. And that's it for the tour. See you at the real address soon. Book now.